How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about one of the most important insurance coverages for your business if you are a contractor here in the state of Michigan, and that is general liability insurance. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether it's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. General liability insurance is designed to help cover situations where somebody gets injured or their property is damaged because of your work. Whether you're a smaller operation with just a few people and maybe a couple trucks, or a much larger business, this coverage can help protect you from a large financial loss if an accident does occur. For example, if you are working on a job site and accidentally damage a client's property, or if somebody trips over a piece of your equipment and gets hurt. These are situations where general liability insurance could help step up and cover the cost associated with these claims. Medical expenses, repairs, and any legal defense costs, if there is a lawsuit, are covered under a standard general liability insurance policy. So what are some things that you should be looking for in a policy? First is to start with coverage limits that match the scale of your work. Think about the kinds of risks you face on a daily basis, the size of the projects you work on, and look into limits that make sense. The typical options will be either $1 million per occurrence and a $2 million aggregate limit, and then there are higher coverage limit options as well, such as $2 million per occurrence and $4 million per occurrence. And then if you are looking for additional liability coverage, this is where you might want to consider an umbrella policy or excess liability policy. You do not want your business to be underinsured, but at the same time, you don't want to pay for coverage that you might not necessarily need. Next is to make sure that your policy provides coverage for both ongoing operations and completed work. This is important because sometimes claims can come up after your work is completed. Maybe there's a potential issue with the work itself, or somebody gets injured afterwards. Having that completed operations coverage can be key. And then finally is to make sure that you are working with a reputable insurance company, making sure that the carrier you are working with has a good claims handling system, is financially stable, because if an accident does ever happen and you need to file a claim, working with the right insurance company can make the process go a lot smoother and help if there are ever any complications. Overall, general liability insurance is a foundational part of any contractor's commercial insurance program, and it is not simply just about meeting a requirement for a specific job, but making sure that you are properly protected so that you can focus on your work. So, thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your general liability insurance or overall commercial insurance program as a whole, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, whether it's commercial or personal related, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.